everybody, this is Alpha152, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apron in Gacha Club. All you need to do is go to Clothes, go to Upper, then you need to select Jacket, keep going until you get to the third page, and select the third one. Then you just dye it whatever color you want. We'll just go for a nice red color. Of course, to make the apron work, you have to dye the entire apron the same color. Like, even the outline has to be the color you picked. And then just go to belt and skirt and keep on going until you get to the third page and select the sixth one. Of course, make sure your shirt is a short one so that they touch. And then you dye it the exact same color as you did the top part, even the outline, and bam, that's how you get yourself an apron. Thank you all for watching. This is Alpha152 signing off for now. Bye-bye!